Wait, who's gonna be top 1, man? Very exciting. What about you all? Our favorite Lirong party. Well, welcome back, guys. In today's reactions video, gonna be very special. I hope you guys gonna be very interesting by seeing the thumbnails. Okay, today I'm going to react on the top 10 most beautiful Karbi actresses in 2021. Okay, I hope you guys are very excited. Okay, well, top 10. Top 10, who's gonna be top 10? Mirmili Teranpi. Wow! Good photographs. Top 9, who's gonna be top 9? Chivika Tinumpi. And looks, her hair, the color actually. Wow. Top 8. Punmili Teranpi. Yes. Yeah. Amazing. My favorite. Amazing looks with Pinipikok. Well, top 7. Malining TP. Hayimulong actress. Yes. Photographs by Lens Guy. Yes. Top 6. Turlin Top PP. Wow. Whoa, man. Amazing. Top 5. My favorite. Nini Malinti Supi. Yes. Wow. Top 4. Who's gonna be top 4? Barsa BP. Yeah. Kimi hoy lang na po. Okay, top 3. Who's gonna be top 3? Wow, my favorite Kiraning TV. Yes. Amazing photographs. Yeah. Okay, who is top 3? Wow, my favorite Kadon Top PP. Yes. Photographs, we pick. Wait, who's gonna be top 1, man? Very exciting. What about you all? Our favorite Lirong party. Well, top 1. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Joro bangso lamar jalan kalian po. Rasa nilip amane music video cocok kaprek different kind of a video I'm going to react. I told you before as well. So nili kaprek music video pencenglo kaprek mix up different kind of varieties. I mean to say. So music sana video si kemik po. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Anyways, bye bye.